How's it going, everybody? Austin Carter here with Attack Line Leather. I appreciate y'all so much for being so patient. Videos have been kind of slow for me lately. Just a whole lot of stuff going on. Just some family stuff, the illnesses going around, and just kind of my work schedule. But anyhow, I got a bunch of questions recently on YouTube and Instagram about how I antique things that I paint white. So I do a lot of like initials and states and stuff like that I paint white, and then I do some decorative cuts on them, and to make those show I have to antique over that. I got a bunch of questions about people that were trying to do that, but it was turning the white paint like a tan or even just kind of like just a nasty creamy white brown. The method that I use works for me, and so just to kind of go over what I use exactly, I use Flo White, and it's a water-based paint that you can get from Tandy Leather. And then to have my protective layer, I use just regular old Tan Kote by Fiebings. You can get this pretty much anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Tandy Leather, any leather store. I let that dry, and then I use Fiebings Antique Brown. I use the dark brown, and this is the antique finish. I'm going to be painting this Texas, letting it dry, and then antiquing it, and I'm going to show you the results that I get and how I achieve them. So I hope you all stick around and enjoy this video. I begin by painting my desired area, in this case, the state of Texas. When it comes to painting with white, it's best to lay down 2 to 3 coats, or at least until you get consistent coverage. After the paint has fully dried, I burn the fuzz off a Dauber and apply a generous but even layer of Tan Kote. Before moving on to antiquing, let the Tan Kote fully dry. To speed up the process of drying, you can put your project in front of a fan. Next, gathering a couple paper towels, antique paste, and a dauber, apply a liberal amount of antique over your project. As soon as you've finished applying the antique, fold your paper towel into quarters and immediately wipe off the project, removing the excess antique paste from the area you painted. You'll notice that there is still some of the antique residue on the white paint. Before the antique dries, grab a Kew Tip dipped in Tan Kote and clean the painted area. As you can see, this takes the grime right off, leaving a nice clean looking area that still shows off the flair of the decorative cuts. Thank you all so much for watching to the end of this video, and I just want to give a sincere thank you to all of my subscribers. Your continued support and positive feedback means the world to me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and wash your hands. And until next time, God bless, and y'all have a great day.